Hello, this is the DJ Robot, and I'm playing Ratchet Clank going Commando. Yeah, I know I'm not finished the first game yet, Ratchet Clank, but, right, yeah, what happened, like, the other video? Well, I may have a problem with the device I use for recording the game. I'll talk about that later. Right now, yeah, I want to show you the Going Commando thing. Now then, okay, I really don't know what else to say. All I know is, I will try to get another device. The other mine is broken. Second time. Believe me, somehow I broke my device. Second time. Yeah, like I said, we'll talk about that later. Right now, I'm playing Ratchet Clank Going Commando. Now, this is the third time, like, you level up your weapon, and, Ratchet Clank Going Commando. Now I like that music. Ooh, nice explosion. Very nice. Right. They just sitting down playing a game. Huh. Funny, really. Alright, yeah, I'm starting the game. Now, I don't know what to choose. I'm going to, option. You check English and control thing. I think when your control moving, so I put yes, and subtitles, yes. I always forget that they don't have subtitles. I really have to make sure if I, look in the option manual and, put on a subtitle.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drek's defeat, there were parades, press conferences, fancy dress balls.
And the wiener roast at Al's.
Oh yeah, that. And then things started to slow down a bit. After that,
there was the grand opening at Groovy Lube.
Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
Really?
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic sense.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
Meanwhile, in the distant Bogon Galaxy,
Miss Noodlebottom, I found our man.
second later, really. Okay, cool.
Welcome.
What the?
I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, founder of the Megacorp Company in the Bogon Galaxy.
Bogon?
I'm sorry to incapacitate you, but our entire galaxy is in a very precocious situation. I must humbly request your sustenance on a mission of dire urgitude, a mission of superfluous peril, a mission of unequivocal imperitude.
Did that make any sense?
So, you need me to go on a dangerous mission in another galaxy.
Indubitably! A few days ago, this top-secret biological experiment was stolen from our testing laboratory by this dupliferous criminal mastermind, and I need you to get the experiment back.
We'll do it!
We will?
Frank, I have precipitated your recalcitrance and have made special improvisations for you. We are prepared to give you a job as the head accountant for Megacorp, plus a penthouse suite in lovely Megapolis, and our state-of-the-art robotic masseuse.
Deal.
As for you, Ratchet, I'll need you in superlatory shape. While in transit to the Bogon Galaxy, you will undergo heavy training and conditioning, including martial arts, heavy weaponry, survival skills, stealth, macrame, ballroom dance, and origami.
2 weeks later. Interesting.
We've used bipolar vector regurgitation to track the thief's location to a flying base in Sector 7. Infiltrate the base and retrieve the experiment.
Sir, ready for launch. Ratchet reporting. I'm on final approach to coordinates 37 Alpha.
Good luck. I'm counting on you.
Affirmative. Beginning radio silence.
Right, so Mr. Ficklish, sorry, I'm not very good with the word. Or making it sound Mr. Sorry. Right, so makes sense of what Ratchet's saying, that even though the guy says some different word, going on a dangerous mission in another galaxy. That definitely makes sense. Now that I have to check to make sure, and alright, I think one of them is made of this. I think it didn't change when I played the second time. Alright, look like my camera is moving clear. Now
to select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick.
Yeah, I deleted it. I think I
Press
deleted the
circle
first time.
to fire your lancer.
Honestly, I got nothing to say really. Now, yes, I'm choosing a different weapon whenever I choose, but one of them's gotta be my favorite weapon. I mean, really. And hopefully they will reboot. You know. Now, yeah, I gotta be careful not to fall. Now, yeah, this device when I talked later before, yeah, two devices I have, and
Try
somehow
using the gravity
they
bomb
both
against
broken
those enemies.
somehow. And there is a reason for it, and I think I've done something not right. Ooh, look at all of this. We got a lot of machines. I mean, wow.
I see it's time to update my security forces.
Whoa, no, hey, no, look, I'm just here to fix the transflexor coil.
Nice try. Give my regards to Megacorp. Finish him.
Right, that's the last activity. Now we know who this guy really is, or, well, I'm not going to spoil it because I'm pretty sure you all knew, or you may not knew. Right, so, yeah, all the uploading the video game I did, like I did so far, like I did one of the Ratchet Clank first game I did, but
Thugs for less. If it ain't broke, we'll break it.
Right. I'm in the market for some security.
You bring the cash, we'll bring the thrash.
Good. I need your best men to meet me at these coordinates.
So, like I said, yeah, I finished Ratchet & Clank Part 6, but I didn't upload it yet, even I didn't record all. So, I don't know what this device is called, but I'll let you know in the description below. The first device was, well, I was trying to plug, but I forgot to bring it, so I used another plug, but there was a problem, which I didn't know. The plug I have was the 5B. The other plug was the 7B, and that's not good. It's sort of like it burned the device, and yeah. The second one, I would try to ready to upload it from, to recording the video, but how would I say this? It somehow got burned out again. I don't know, because I tried to put the input, but I didn't know there was I touching the random button, right? So I don't know if I'll get another one, but hopefully. Right, this is a short video. Yeah, sorry I forgot to tell you. But we're gonna end it soon. That's all for today. Hope to see you next time. If you like it, leave a comment below. Bye.